Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Amber and I would love if you hit that like and subscribe button. That would be awesome. Anyway, Mama is back with another Boxycharm unboxing video. This is my second time repurchasing this box because I absolutely love them. You guys should definitely check them out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be honest, I did already open this. And I was a little disappointed because when you first purchase Boxycharm, you do a quiz letting them know your preferences of what you like in makeup and how your skin is and everything else. And I specifically said I don't really like glitter, and I got some glitter, so I don't know, it's kind of weird. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys what I got. Came like this, no cardigan. I don't know why they're doing that, but alright, so the first thing I will show you guys is this Cover FX. I've never tried this brand and I've heard so much about it and I wanted to. I thought it was a foundation at first, but it wasn't. So it's actually glitter drops. So I will go ahead and show you guys what this is. You can use it for eyeshadow, highlight, anything you want to, but here it is. I have it in, what is this? Oh, here we go. This is, I can't see it, hold on. This is Mirage. So I will go ahead and show you guys the product. So that is very pigmented and very glittery. Oh yeah, that's not bad. You could also use it on the eyes. Can't wait to try that. Actually, it looks pretty nice. But anyway, yeah. The next item I got from Boxycharm was, holy shit, it's glittery as fuck. This Ola Neon. What the fuck? Oh. Velvet Liquid Lipstick, matte, long-lasting, and moisturizing. This is swatching from my other videos, you guys. I'll go ahead and swatch this for you guys. This is in the Easy Sell. Okay, that's weird. The Easy Sell. Oh, by the way, you guys, I got this top from Target, and it was like, I think $20, and it's absolutely cute. I'll have to show you guys in a Target haul or something. I'm not gonna show my body right now because I'm a little chunky and I'm not very confident. But here is the product. It's a little red for my liking, but maybe we can do that with like a black smoky eye or something. We'll see how I don't really like red. I like mauve colors or browns. It's funny because in my quiz, I told them I like browns and they give me reds. What the fuck? But anyway, the next item is this Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara, and I absolutely love the packaging on this. It's very pretty. I actually did try this mascara. It's not bad. It does give you some volume, but it does kind of get all over the place, like your eyes or whatever, but it's not bad. Here's the packaging. The wand is a little fat. I kind of like the separated wands, but it's okay, I guess. The packaging's nice. To be honest, I'm not really satisfied with this box. It kind of upset me. It kind of upset me. All right, so I got this QMS Intensive Eye Care. I was actually, this was the most product I was excited about because it's eye care, and Sage, turn it off, please. This is an intensive eye care. I'm very excited about this because I'm very obsessed with trying to find eye creams for wrinkles and stuff, and I kind of want to give this a try. It's day and night eye cream, so I will start using this day and night and see how this works, and I will let you guys know. Never heard of these guys, but here's the product, by the way. It's white. It has no smell to it, so that's great. It's nice and creamy. So if you want to try that out. The last product is an eyeshadow palette. Wow, I dropped shit. The packaging is really cute, don't get me wrong, but let me tell you guys, very cute. I'm not a glitter fan, but look at this, okay? Glitter galore. It's very pretty, do not get me wrong. But I specifically said I don't like glitter. Why did they send me glitter? That's what kind of pissed me off. So I guess I'm gonna have to, what do you call it? Redo that quiz over and change my preferences again, because I don't know what the hell happened, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys. You're not gonna be able to see that because it's white, obviously, but here is Charmer. Oh, that is very pretty. Oh wow. I'm gonna have to do an eyeshadow look with that. Here is Full Size. Ooh, that's so pretty. And I don't like glitter, it's really weird. Oh, they got me on this one. Here's Exclusive. Holy fuck, these are very pigmented, guys. Spoiler. Okay, okay. Luxe. Ooh, hell, fuck yeah, that is very bad. Okay, guys, I'm actually kind of liking this. Next one, hold on, let me change hands, is called Unboxing. It's cute. Pop-up. Ooh, that's very nice. You can use that as a highlighter as well. This one is Swipe Up. That feels very, holy fuck. Damn, you guys, this is so I don't know, holy fuck, that's very pigmented. Next one is Premium. Basic color. Next one is Sneak Peek. Oh, hold on. And the last one is Cup of Joe. Hold on. Yeah, you see that's like a light brown. But actually, I'm really liking this, you guys. Gonna have to use this. I'm gonna have to try, what do you call it? Find an eyeshadow tutorial, because I don't really do eyeshadow, so I'm not really familiar with it. Because Mama's a basic bitch. But yeah, you guys, I'm actually loving this, so I'm not mad at that. So yeah, you guys, that was all that I got, and I'm kind of mad that I got some things, but some things are okay. Hopefully the next one's better. I actually really like getting skincare products in Boxycharm. That's why I was kind of mad, because I thought I already got skincare, but I actually ordered the Ordinary, so that should take care of all my skin problems. But yeah, you guys, that is the end of this video. I literally filmed 3 videos today, and let me tell you, it took forever. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here and go relax and drink some more wine, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.